Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a biotic haul. Biotic is an Indian brand that uses Ayurvedic recipes for the creation of their products. Their products are affordable and are of good quality because they use 100% natural botanical extracts. The brand focuses mainly on eliminating the skin and hair related issues. They claim that their products are free from chemicals and preservatives and are not tested on animals, and the preservation part is slightly confusing for me because they have mentioned the shelf life for 3 years, and without preservatives how is that possible to preserve a product like this for 3 years? Anyways, the brand also claims to have a team of qualified doctors, scientists and cosmetologists. It may be possible that they have used some natural preservatives in the formula. That's why they have mentioned the shelf life for 3 years, because it's not necessary to have a chemical preservative in a formula. The preservatives can be natural also. That I have is their kelp protein shampoo for falling hairs, and on the back of the packaging they have mentioned many good ingredients like neem, tesu flower, bhringraj plant, daru haldi root, rita fruit and sajishkar purified water. This product is mainly used by my mother because it doesn't suit me. It contains Rita and Rita doesn't suit me at all. They have mentioned that this is not a cosmetic product, it has therapeutic properties. If you guys know that Daru Haldi is also known as Indian Barberry or tree turmeric, and it has been used in Ayurvedic medicine since a very long time. It has many skin and hair benefits. We have used Daru Haldi root, and Daru Haldi root and stem both are used in Ayurvedic recipes because they are rich source of vitamin C. My mother loves these shampoos a lot, so I have purchased one more for her. I have an empty from Biotique, that's their Margosa anti-dandruff shampoo and conditioner. You really don't have to use conditioner with these shampoos because they are so moisturizing and hydrating, but it doesn't suit me at all because it contains Rita and Rita doesn't suit me. It makes my hair so frizzy and dry, so that's why I stopped using it. My mother used this shampoo a lot, and that's why I ended up purchasing 2 more shampoos. With dry, itchy and flaky scalp can use this shampoo, and let me know how it works. I will not recommend it to those who have hair like mine, dry and frizzy. Next I have this, their musk root fresh growth nourishing treatment pack. Basically it's a hair pack and it smells like mehendi, like henna, and it also looks like henna. It contains a lot of good ingredients like mulethi, amla, baheda, harhar, jaifal, bale, I don't know how to pronounce it, bale, I think it's bale fal, that bale patra one, and jatamansi, bhringraj, kikar gourd and neem bark and purified water. So it contains a lot of good ingredients, and it retails for rupees 620 for 900 grams. You are getting so much quantity of the hair pack. What you have to do, just mix it with egg if you are allowed to use it at your home, or you can just mix it with some curd or water and you can apply it all over your hair. I have used it twice and it makes my hair smooth and manageable. I think it's too early to talk about its benefits. I'll use it and let you know about it, that if it's worth buying or not. Next I have their BioCarrot sunscreen with 40 SPF. It's meant for all skin types, and the ingredients are parijat patra, gajar root, lodra bark, ankurit gehu seed, yashad bhasma, bee wax and sunflower oil. It is also not a cosmetic product, it's a therapeutic product. Bee wax heals and softens the skin instead of causing acne. It really helps to fight acne, dry skin, eczema and stretch marks. My mother uses this sunscreen as I didn't like it because the fragrance is too strong for my taste and it's annoying. However, the sunscreen is moisturizing and effective in removing tan, and it also brightens the face, but I will not recommend it to the people with sensitive nose. I have this eye cream, that is Bio Seaweed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. It also contains some good ingredients like honey, jaifal, baheda, kheera juice, badam oil and many others. And nowadays I am using this eye cream for my under eye area. It is highly moisturizing, relaxing, and it gives a cooling effect to the eyes. It is transparent in color and have mild fragrance, and it smells like some Ayurvedic medicine but the smell is in control, like mild fragrance. I have their clove purifying anti-blemish face pack. It is basically meant for the blemishes, the black spots that you have on your skin because of acne, or contains the natural ingredients like clove oil, gandhak powder, peppermint oil, geru powder, yashad basman, kekagon. This pack is smooth and easy to spread. You just need a very tiny amount and you are done. Once you have applied, it gives the tingling sensation on your face. This face pack is doing good for my skin till now, and I'll tell you a lot more about it once I'm done with this stuff. I have this myristica spot correcting anti-acne face pack, and it also contains jaifal, peepli root, haldi root, white sandalwood oil, geru powder, multani mitti powder, kekagon, and it is also a therapeutic product. It is less as compared to the price. It retails for rupees 200 for 20 grams and it looks like this. The formula is again smooth and with some fine black particles. You just have to apply it on the affected area morning and night. You don't have to apply it all over your face, and it is also mentioned on the packaging as well. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and keep watching.